So this is where we're at with the cracks. We just zoom in, all we've done is rake them out. So I'm just going to show you now. You're exposing the major crack in the back, because if you don't rake them out, they'll just come back straight away. If you just sanded the face of them and then just put a little bit of filler in the hairline crack, it'll just repeat itself and crack again in a few weeks or a couple of months. But by doing it like this, raking them right out, I'll then lightly go over them, sand them, hoover them out, and then I'll put my own filler in there then, and then they should be great. So I'll take another video and show you where we're at with them then. Here's the room in question. See? There's the cracks. So these are the cracks that we've got to sort out in this coving in this 100-odd-year-old property. Now, the way we're going to go about this is I'm going to show you in a couple of videos, and we're going to rake them out and we're going to filler them and then sand them. So this is the crack that I've got now. As you can see, it's cracked. It's very raised, and you can't just sand, chuck a bit of filler in there and paint, because it'll just repeat and it'll just crack again. So I'll show you how to do it, and I'll show you the end results in another couple of videos as well. So this is how it's done, see? Get yourself one of these tools and you put it in the crack. And what you're doing is you're following the crack with the tool. A bit hard one-handed, I've been doing great with the tool. And you just pull it through, following the crack, and you rake it all out. As you can see, this is cracked right through, see? So we've got to clean it out. See? Clean them out like that. And then you can put your filler in. See? Simple as that. So this is what we are left with now after all the cracks have been scraped out. So let me just come around here and show you, and you can have a little look and see for yourself. Now if you don't scrape these out, obviously they're going to re-crack. If you just sand them, we've gone right around the whole room, and then we're going to filler them, then we'll sand them again, and then obviously a couple of coats of paint, job done. So this is where I'm at. So this is where we're at with the coal then. Now it's all been fellared, sanded, painted. You can see that slight line that runs through the middle, but I think it got snapped when it was fitted. But it's looking great now, customer's happy anyway. Here we are right the way around there. The whole full bit we had.